For a make one left increase, you need to pick up this bar that's between your stitches from front to back with your left needle. I'm first going to take my right needle and use that to lift this up a bit so it's easier to access. Then I'm going to insert my left needle from front to back. Now I need to knit through the back loop of this. So it's a little bit difficult to get your needle in, but then you just knit, bring it through, and I've knit through the back loop and increased by 1 stitch. So I'm going to knit one and do that again. So we have this bar again between our stitches, lift that up, insert my left needle from front to back, then I need to knit through the back loop. One way that can be a bit easier is if you go to the front and then roll over to the back, and then I'm going to knit, and that's another increase done.